It is at the weekend. Will we have a gathering meeting? Good idea. We had a long time ago. Let's enjoy hot pot now. Let's go. Half an hour later. Oh. You too, please order food instead of using your mobile phones. You can order food for us three. Hot pot is almost the same everywhere. We will eat whatever you order. I will have one this and one that. All set. Later. Oh? Hey, time for food. Can you stop using phones for a while? Oh, my phone was powered off. I stopped. Oh, my phone was powered off too. Enjoy the food. Haha, look. You two have powered off and I have enough battery. Finished. Let's go back home. $258 for the bill. Hey, why are you looking at me? Shall we split the bill? We would like to, but the phone was powered off. Using mobile phones while eating. Click to subscribe.